What defines the shoebill is its massive beak, shaped like a wooden clog. This powerful tool is designed to grip, crush, and hold slippery prey with unstoppable force.
Unlike fast-moving predators, the shoebill hunts through patience. It can stand motionless for long periods, waiting for fish below the surface to reveal themselves.
When prey moves beneath the surface, the shoebill strikes without warning. What appears slow and lifeless suddenly becomes explosive and precise.
By feeding on fish and maintaining balance in wetland ecosystems, the shoebill plays a vital role in these fragile environments. Its presence signals healthy, untouched wetlands,